with me at Sonia's Garden as we tour Jen and Thea for the very first time. Bakate. Thea here. So this is our accommodation. The whole house, the whole cottage is ours. Ang ganda dito. Oh, may paganyan pa kami, 'di ba? Basta-basta tayo. Ito yung work area pa rin, or kung gusto niyo magkwentuhan at magkape-kape here. Dahil mapuno, masaya, madaming oxygen na ibibigay. Yan, hanggang dito yan. Ito yung kitchen. Ganda, di ba? So, pupunta ako ngayon sa restaurant. Akit tayo. Ito pa yung mga ibang accommodations, events area, morning walk. Ang sarap mag morning walk. Pasalubong area. Ang mga Instagrammable talaga dito. This is the Panaderia. Hindi yata namin pagsasawaan ng Sonias. Ito, Bakery and Acupuncture Clinic. Good morning! Dito, pwede kayong bumili ng mga halaman nila at mga fruits and vegetables. Good morning! Ayan, mga medicinal plant nila. Nihingil ako. Ayan, puntahan natin yung kanilang restaurant. Instagrammable area. The Morning Glory. Para ka rin nasa Bali, sa ganda ng mga kapaligiran. Oh, ito ang Morning Glory where breakfast is now. Dati sa baba, ngayon dito na. Hello, good morning. Oh, they're setting up. Thank you. Hand sanitizer agad, di ba? Super ganda ng Sonia's bed and breakfast. This is home, away from home. Good morning. Dito sa Sonia's, ayan o, malakas ang wifi kaya nakakapagtrabaho. Sila Jen, ang online workers. Hello. Ayan, ganda ng room ni Jen, o. Hindi na kailangan ng aircon kasi malamig. Ang ganda-ganda ng place na ito. This is the private room. First time namin nag-stay dito kasi usually doon kami sa baba. Ayan, ang ganda, diba? At dito ang kwarto ni Thea. Sobrang pretty talaga dito sa Sonia's. Malakas ang wifi. Ayan, nag-i-enjoy mag-work. At ang kape, ayan. Sarap ng kape dito. O, sige na, girls. Mag-work na kayo. I'll be back for yoga. Sobrang ganda talaga. Look at this. Oh, second floor dito. Ang ganda, oh. Dito kami mag-yoga mamaya. Hello, good morning! Napakaganda ng lugar at ang aming, ayan, overlooking. Sobrang dami ng choices. Kumuha lang ko ng danggit, suka at ang vegetable chips. Kasama ng kanilang fresh fruits and water. Kaunta! There's Jen, Thea, Dad, and Julia. We are privileged to meet again, Ma'am Sonia. We met her once. Pero ngayon, yan, she's touring us sa kanyang bahay mismo. O, diba? How good is that? How great is this? This is Nems. Nem. Thank you so much, Nem. Touring us, the lady herself, Miss Sonia. Oh, dito sa bahay niya. Ang ganda. Nuts, let's go here.
This is my bed.
This is your bed. Oh, open. Wow, ang ganda.
This is my shower.
Okay.
Nasa forest when the water drips. And my hydro massage.
Oh, beautiful.
Meron kaming parang grand spa ang tawag. Anyway, this is babuchi, but they're all spoken for.
82, ma'am? Are you sure? Ako ayoko na umakyat eh.
It has also its own shower. It looks out to that. Cross ventilation.
Oh, that's nice. That's why you don't need aircon, ano po?
Yun ay ini-inhale mo.
Dito kayo sinisilip ni ma'am nung nasa Buraj kayo.
Also cross-ventilation. You see the top of the trees?
Oh, ito yung overlooking ni Ma'am Sonia here, oh. Oh, diba? Ang ganda!
Diba?
Oh!
Sa
No
ni
TV,
cottage
just books.
and Netflix.
There's a lot of rooms where you can read. The sea.
Kung kayo dito ma'am.
Very, very, very beautiful. There's another
You sit
room.
Here, upo ka dito, grab a book or just do nothing, sit here.
Stair? Yeah.
Diba?
May third floor pa?
Automatic yan?
Yes, ito yun, ito yun. Ito yung automatic.
Presence when you're here, it's so absolute.
We can...
Alam mo, tita,
Food, lifestyle.
they already gathered some, they picked some passion fruit already.
We...
Beautiful by design.
Karoon lang siya sir ng lamp sa dito.
Ilan taon na ba siya?
10
Grabe.
ma'am.
10 years? Oo, oo, yan na.
Hindi. Sabihin ko na
Kahit saan kami pumunta, mga dog yung malapit sa kanya.
ako medyo on the pink side.
On the pink side.